In this tutorial we are going to learn about the different data types. Okay, so you must have learned about like a is equal to 10, then it is integer, then a is equal to, suppose if I write something like class, then it will be a string. Okay, so let's start with this string. So string data type, in string data type, as you have learned, it stores the characters in ascending or in forward indexing or backward indexing. So what do you mean by forward indexing? So in forward indexing, it starts with 0, then 1, then 2, and in backward indexing, what will be, the last character will be -1, then -2, then -3, like this. Okay, so like if I here write informatics, okay, then in A I have stored informatics. Then if I write here A here, if I write 1, so at 1 what is there? This n is there, so therefore it will give the output as n, because in the one index means the second value is 1, is n. Okay, and if I check from the last, then suppose if I write here a, then within box bracket I write -2, then what I will get here? C, because the last s is -1, then the c is -2, and from the forward here I is 0, then n is 1. Okay, now let's learn about the other data types. You have other data types like list. So here if you have a list like 9876, so in list you can also write characters also. So if you write some characters, then you have to write here like Z in single quotes. Okay, because these are characters, ZX. So I have saved this list in A. Then if I want to check again like what is in the place 1, then what you will get 8. 8 means what? At first place means first one is 0, then second place the value 8 is there. And if I check here, give you -1, but you will get x, because at the last place it's x. Okay, so similarly it goes for like tuple. So tuple also you can give it as like this. Okay, so if you write in, don't write in the box bracket and give in normal bracket, then it is known as a tuple. So if I check here A, then this tuple, and similarly you can access the contents also like 1, 2, -1, -2. Okay, so this one data type string, then this one is list, then this one is a tuple, and one more is there, that is dictionary. Okay, so in dictionary you have to write the contents of the dictionary in curly brackets, and you have to write the values in key value pair. Okay, so here suppose the key is A and the value is suppose 10 or 12. Okay, then next if I write here the next key is suppose B, let's give it as X, S, R. Okay, then you give it as 13. Then the first one is you can think this as the index value and this as the value. Okay, so this is the index and this is the value, and you must remember that these keys means the first one must be unique. Okay, so here if I press the enter and check the value of A, now this appears. Now if I want to check the value of someone like S, you can also check. So at S you will find here 12. Okay, now suppose if you are repeating a key like S I am repeating, then what will happen? Let's see. So I am giving here 15, so it's showing no error, but when I check the value of A, it's shown that the value of S is 12 and then I have changed the value to 15, so therefore the later value appears here and R value is here. Okay, so this happens because you cannot repeat the value of key. Okay, so that much for this tutorial. Thank you. So mainly these are the data types which are there in Python. Okay, thank you.